So I'm back in New York now. It's such a beautiful day out. I can't believe it, guys, because I was really stressed out about coming to New York. Oh my god, guys. We're at the park. Isn't it gorgeous out? And I just took a little outfit of the day picture for my flat tummy up. I'm loving this top that I got. This is just a little Champion sports bra and my Nike pants, and they just really hold you in so good. So I love these because I actually purchased a few lately that they don't hold you in. So definitely the Nikes hold you in. The Lululemon, but those are pretty pricey, although I did get some on sale recently. But anyway, guys, so since I've been home, I've only been home 2 days, so hopefully I'm going to start vlogging it. I would love to do more of these kind of daily vlogs because I just love talking to you guys. Go outside, enjoy, you know, the beautiful weather, put on a cute workout outfit, and I got my Louis Vuitton backpack. I didn't have this for so long, guys, and I missed it because I had left it in New York when I was in Florida. But anyway, let me go. I'm going to go to the supermarket and pick up some food, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So guys, I just got home from grocery shopping. I had to pick up a ton of stuff because we've been away. Like a lot of you guys know, we haven't been here in months, so I had to fully stock my refrigerator. So I figured I'd show you some of what I picked up. First of all, oh, can I tell you guys, I just got this. I'm really excited to try it. I'm gonna actually try this right now with you guys. This is from Khalifa, salted caramel cold brew coffee. So I'm gonna try. You know what it is? I feel like this is gonna give me the energy to like put the food away, cook the dinner, things of that nature. So let's go ahead and see how this comes out. I got all the ice, guys. It's good. It's good. It's not the best. But anyway, guys, let me finish. Yeah, so I don't really like, maybe when it gets colder it's still kind of warm, it'll taste better. But anyway, I got these. I get these from my husband, guys. They're just like juice boxes, and he takes them with him when he goes to play golf. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the refrigerator. I got my Smart Water. I love Smart Water so much, and so many people give me grief about it, and they're like, oh, what do you think it's gonna make you smarter? Have I told you guys? I'm sure I told you guys this before. And I'm like, no, it has like hydration in it. Like, it's like Gatorade without calories. A lot of people don't realize that, I guess, and they always think, they're like, why are you buying that, you know? Anyway, it's so good. I think it tastes, I can taste the difference. I'm an addict. I'm a Smart Water addict. What can I say? Okay, so let me finish. Oh, I got these, guys. I got some, these are some whole wheat pita bread. So love that. I'm gonna try to make like a chicken, like a gyro type of thing with that. So then I got here some cherries. These look so good, guys. They're like super, they look so good. They're very red, because sometimes when I go to the store, let me just wash that off. You know, sometimes they're not that red, but look how red it is. Oh, so it's probably gonna be so good. Oh, it's good. Oh my god, that tastes so good. It was so good for you too. Here, look at this, guys. I got this. This is celery juice in a, you know, already pressed for you, already made for you. So I'm gonna give it a try. It says it gives you a glowing skin, so I figure I'll try this. And what is it? It's just celery juice and lemon, but I just figure I'll treat myself. But normally I don't buy those because they're so expensive. Oh, here's another. This is another nitro drink I thought I would try. Let me try this one. It says it's nitro cold brew. So I'm just gonna pour this into the other one because the other one didn't really have a lot of flavor. I like that coffee. I don't, you know, I like when it tastes very bitter, like a strong coffee. So let's see how this one tastes. Yeah, that one's better. That one tastes a little better. It just has more of a coffee flavor, which I like. Let's see here. I got some plums. I got some bananas. So hopefully my husband is gonna play golf and he could take a banana with him. Oh, we got these, guys. These are like all already cut up for you and put on the skewer, so you could get your, you know, your veggies, and I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on these, and then I'm gonna put them in the broiler, and they come out exactly like a barbecue, you know, crispy and soft and sweet. And then like I said, just brush them with some barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna make that tonight. Just wanted to show you, beauties, how it comes out, the finished result. I actually put some salmon in as well, so it just tastes so amazing. Also, I put some spray butter on it before I broil it on high. So here I got a rotisserie chicken for the family. Here I got a salmon. I think I'm gonna make this tonight, guys. What do you think? It's already seasoned and everything for you. I'm gonna take the butter out because I don't really like to eat butter anymore. It has so much calories in the butter. You wouldn't believe, just taking butter out of my diet, I lost so much weight. And olive oil, even though people say it's so healthy, but it has so much calories in a teaspoon. I just not to say eliminated, but I just drizzle a little olive oil now, even a little bit of butter. But before, I used to do low carb. I used to eat tons of butter. I used to eat tons of olive oil, and I was probably eating thousands of calories in olive oil a day, just because I used to drizzle it and put it on everything because I thought it was so healthy. Coconut oil as well, but it has so many calories. You might as well eat a whole birthday cake. It has more calories than a birthday cake, and the calories do I never counted calories, but they really do, you know. If you just don't eat too much fat, you will lose so much weight. And I still eat whatever I want. Now I'm just not eating too much fat, and I just am maintaining, and I feel healthy, I feel good. So I thought I'd just share that. So I just wanted to show you guys how easy this is. I took the salmon out of the bag that it came in, and I put it on a piece of tin foil, and then I do spray it with some spray butter, and then you just put this in the oven on broil, on like the middle rack or the low rack, not the highest rack. You put it on broil for like 20 minutes, and it comes out so crispy and so delicious. So I just wanted to show you this, guys. And another thing that I'm loving doing, guys, lately is that, I know this doesn't look that good, but this is actually baked potato, and it's so flipping good. And you just take the baked potato and you punch it with a fork, you know, just whatever, 7 times top to bottom. Just take the fork and stab it, and you put it in the microwave for about 6 minutes, and it comes out so soft, so delicious. And then I do, like always, I'm so addicted to spray butter, guys, but I've been using this spray butter like crazy. I just love it so much. And I'm loving these nails too. These are my kiss nails, but this is so good. I just pretty much put it on everything. It has no calories. Oh, I got this, guys. I love this brand so much. This is Kodiak. They have pancakes, and then the pancakes, the waffles are amazing, and they have protein in them, so you feel really full. Protein helps you to feel full. That's why I really try to, if you can get food with protein in it, it just makes you feel fuller. So I absolutely love protein. And then this is a protein muffin that they came out with, so I'm gonna make these hopefully tonight. I'm not sure if I have the baking pan though. Hopefully I do, but if I don't, I'll pick one up tomorrow. But it's super easy. You just put this in the blender or the mixer with milk, and it says oil, but I really don't like to use oil, so I'll try to find a substitute, but I'm sure it tastes good without. So I just wanted to kind of update you guys and let you know I made this as a cake because I didn't have the muffin pans like I had mentioned, and it came out so delicious. I'm literally in shock at how delicious it came out. I just put it in this kind of springboard. This is just, you know, any baking pan, but oh my god, I ate all of that already, guys. It's literally amazing. So actually, on the directions on how to make it, it said to put oil, and like I had said earlier, I don't like to use oil too much, so I wound up just mashing up 1 banana. I read online that's a great substitute for oil, so I just mashed up 1 banana, and I added that to the mixture in my KitchenAid mixer. And I actually put a little bit of spray butter in. Let me show you guys. But I just poured a little bit of this butter in just as a substitute for the oil. And then I put 2 eggs it called for, and a cup of milk. I used fat-free milk. Oh my god, it's so good. I know maybe this picture is not the most appetizing. It doesn't make it look the most appetizing, but I'm not even joking. It tastes unbelievable. Especially if you're, you know, to be honest, I love scones. I don't know if you guys have ever had a scone, but I'm not even kidding. It has protein in it. It's made of whole wheat. It's super healthy for you, and it's so delicious and so filling because it does have protein in it, and it has blueberries, and then it has a little bit of the banana flavor because of the banana. So it wound up tasting like the most amazing banana bread ever. I don't know what, guys, but seriously, if you see that in the store, I cannot recommend it more. It's amazing. So here, guys, I got some sweet potatoes. I'm so addicted to sweet potatoes. I eat those like crazy, and they're so filling, and it has like 80 or 100 calories the most, and you feel so full when you eat a sweet potato, especially if you're like me. I used to be a night eater, and I used to eat tons of food at night. And if you have like a sweet potato with, I actually put spray butter on it, some cinnamon, and you feel so, and you know, if you can have a piece of protein with it, you feel so full. But even if you don't, it tastes actually like decadent. It's like it's so good. So guys, I got these. This is a oatmeal. It's so easy to make. I used to make oatmeal and it would be the hugest mess. This, you just pop it in the microwave with a little bit, it says water. I put almond milk. It comes out amazing. You put a little bit of almond milk, pop it in the microwave for like 2 minutes. It comes out so good. And actually, I put a few raisins in, even some walnuts, mix it up with the almond milk and put it in the microwave 2 minutes. Oh my god, it's amazing. Actually, I like to let it cool off, and I actually put a little bit of whipped cream on top, and it tastes just like bread pudding. If you guys have ever had bread pudding, it tastes exactly like bread pudding. It's so good. But if you let it get kind of cold and like really gel together everything, put some whipped cream on top. I just really want to quickly show you this as well. This is an avocado mash, and it tastes so good on toast, on a bagel, on your eggs, on chicken, on a chicken breast. Oh my gosh, on tofu, anything you put it on. It's just so good, so filling, and so good for you. So guys, I'm like obsessed with popcorn now, so I always love this Skinny Pop. Love that. I eat that like crazy. And I got these chips. I'm such a chip addict now too. I just eat so much now, guys. I think that's why I look so much, to be honest. Like, you guys say, what am I doing differently with my skin? The only thing I'm really doing now is I just eat fruit and vegetable. I mean, I just eat tons of food now, where before, when I first talked to you guys, I used to be on low carb. I never ate carbs. Now I don't have circles under my eyes anymore. My hair is growing in like crazy. My hair is growing. I mean, it's definitely just because I'm eating now. I used to always eat. I used to be like, I didn't eat carbs for like 10 years, but I am just loving these. These are so good. I also never ate microwave food before. I was so crazy, guys. I was like, now I'm all about these microwave kind of foods, but you gotta buy the right brand, or they're not, you know, they're not healthy, I guess. But these ones are super healthy. Everything is like real vegetables, real ingredients, so you know, you feel full. This is from Frontera Fajita Bowl. Let's see here, I got this one. Sweet Earth is another amazing frozen food, and they make vegan food. It's amazing, and you just pop it in the microwave. It has hardly any calories, 300 calories, and you feel so full after you eat these. It's crazy. And you can definitely mix in some more extra vegetables. Here's another one I love, Amy's Light and Lean quinoa and black beans, and this has like 200 calories. And then I get a bunch of these RX bars. These oh, this is the good bag. More snacks. I got ginger snaps. These are vegan and gluten-free. Partake. Let's try these, guys. And then, oh, I got these for my husband, some bars. These are fudge bars. These are 100 calories, so you just eat healthy. Just watch your calories. Just don't eat more than 2,000 calories a day if you can. So I'll let you guys go. You guys know I'll keep you here all day long and all night, and you guys are like, girl, we gotta go. So anyway, guys, I will finally let you go. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you.